Your Excellency, the Apostolic Nuncio, Your Excellency Bishop Jesse, and Your Excellencies, the Archbishops and Bishops, the Reverend Fathers and Brothers and Sisters in Christ, the Honorable Government Officials. The 75th birthday of anyone is called a diamond birthday. But Bishop Jesse is not wearing any diamond at all, because he is our diamond. He does not wear any diamond because he is that diamond that we are celebrating. In case you don't know, diamonds are mined from around 800 kilometers into the center of the earth. And around 7,000 degrees centigrade is needed to form diamond for around 2 billion years. There is no diamond without the passage of time. There is no diamond not subjected to heat. And there is no diamond from the surface. Diamonds are always mined from the deep. And that is how Bishop Jesse has been for all of us. Depth, tried by fire, and aged by time. We want to thank the Lord for the diamond that is Bishop Jesse for all of us. But we also want to thank Bishop Jesse for teaching us the value of depth, the value of trials, the value of walking through life under the heat of the sun, and the value of being faithful beyond time. I was a spiritual son of Bishop Jesse because when I entered San Carlos Seminary, he was one of our confessors and spiritual director. And then he became our brother priest in the Archdiocese of Manila. And then when the Holy Father appointed me bishop, Bishop Jesse was one of the two co-consecrators who ordained me as a bishop. I owe him my vocation. I owe him my understanding of the priesthood. If there is any depth in the priesthood, if there is any endurance under the heat of the crisis of ministry, if there is any amount of fidelity with the passage of time in my life, Bishop Jesse has so much to do with it, and I will always be grateful. Happy birthday, Bishop Jesse.